Hello and welcome to another update video about the S&P 500. Yeah, it's all coming together. The video from the last video prepared you hopefully for another sell-off here and the overall downtrend that we have here on the S&P 500. We talked about a while ago, we already talked about this A wave to the downside, which already reached our support trend reversal area here for the first time in August. Then we talked about an upcoming B wave rally. It rallied into resistance, got rejected, nice short trade opportunity. Then we talked about the next resistance area, reacted again, nice short trade opportunity, and now we're coming down back into support. The overall wave count is an A wave, a B wave, and the C wave to the downside in a wave 4. That's the current assumption. If we get, instead of 3 waves down, if we get 5, it would be very bearish, and it could eventually, but it will take long to play out. It will take a long time. It could eventually take us to maybe 3,000, 2,500 points. We will need to look at that then. But first of all, I'm observing if the price can hold the $4,180 level down there, the 50% retracement level. What is more important than holding that is that we just do 3 waves down, ABC, instead of 5. But to get these 3 waves down, we basically need, well, we've got 3 waves down. It can bottom at any time in a WXY structure. However, the S&P 500 likes to produce C waves instead of Y waves. Yeah, for anybody who doesn't know the difference, in a WXY structure, the Y wave, which would be the last wave down here, consists of 3 waves. And we've got 3 waves down, as you can see. In an ABC structure, which I normally track primarily, we need 5 waves down in the C wave. So another wave 4 and another wave 5 still to come. So if we now zoom in and I go to the 30-minute chart so we can look at the detailed wave count, we see that pretty much what I presented to you in the last video pretty much was followed nicely. I can't remember where exactly we were. I think last video was just above this. I can't remember. I think it was just above the gap down. Can't remember entirely, but I highlighted to you that we have here circle wave 1 complete, circle wave 2 complete. We're now in circle wave 3. That might actually have completed. I think we reached the 1.618 extension level, which is normally what I want to see at a minimum. Yeah, perfectly. So that was reached at $4,330. So circle wave 3 is probably finished. We then obviously within the third wave, we even had 5 waves down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm happy with that. And now we need some evidence that this circle wave 4 has actually started. I think we have some initial indications here. Where should the wave 4 go to? So I'm going to add resistance now for circle wave 4. It's just so we see it better that way. Yeah, circle wave 4, we would take the length of the third wave, and then we just change the color here, and it gives us the resistance area for wave 4. So ideal target is the 38.2 retracement level. Let's just also add the 23.6 fib level, even though that's too shallow actually for reliable wave 4. But the 38.2 retracement is here at $4,381. That would be ideal. Yes, I would already expect some resistance at 4,351. Then 4,381 is ideal. And the 50% fib level is already a stretch here. But it's also still acceptable for a wave 4, $4,406. And above that, it would force a reinterpretation of the chart, something more bullish. But until then, I focus on one more low in a wave 5. What could happen if we don't even get to the 23.6 fib level and it breaks down and makes a low below Monday's low, then the next support will be at $4,280. That would be for an extension, another extension in the third wave, which is also still possible, but I think there's a good chance that we've now started circle wave 4. It would need to break, however, above a certain trend line that I'm going to show you now to give us a first indication that this has really started. And it's this trend line, which has 3 touch points now. And if that break happens, that break to the upside, then I think we have our wave 4 in the making. And then I expect a strong move down from this region in the coming sessions. Yeah, that's my update about the S&P 500. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.